Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see what I got in my glossy box for March of 2021. I'm so excited because last month's box was spectacular and I can't wait to see what I got in this month's box. I normally have a code for you guys so you can save some money and get a special deal, but they haven't given it to me yet, so I will update my description box once I get that code for you guys because I did get my box a little bit earlier. So just, if you want a code, just, you know, give it a couple days and I'll probably have one in the description box. And I also want to mention really quick, since you know I'm kind of like pink themed today, I am wearing some merch that's going to be coming out soon. We got to tweak it and change it a little bit, but it'll be out soon, so that's exciting. But not as exciting as this glossy box, let's be real. But if you are into these types of videos from me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, it would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already viewing this video, if you would do me the honor and hit the subscribe button, it would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so I do want to mention really quick that they did send this to me for free, but all the opinions in this video are 100% my own. So now that that has been said, let's open this box and see what we got. Reveal time. We love the packaging. It's always super pretty. Oh, it's this way. So let's go ahead and okay, so usually we have a booklet, or maybe that's looked fantastic, we have the booklet, but we have pretty pleasures here. So we got some macaroons, which macaroons, by the way, are really good. I just have to say that those are really good. So beauty treats, and this is going to tell me everything coming in here, the prices, and if it's a full size or a sample size or a deluxe size and all that jazz. Looking pretty good. I'm going to leave this here for reference. Let's go ahead and open up this packaging. It's raining really loud. First up, we have from Soon Skincare. This is the Golden Eye 24K Gold Hydrogel Eye Patches. Single treatment is $6. And if you get 30, it's $54. Really excited about this. I have been using eye patches recently. I've been using my Tula ones, so I'm excited to give this a try. Love the packaging, super cute, and yeah, can't wait to use that. Plus, me and my niece were talking about trying out face masks today, which, oh, wait, I can't remember what box this came in. I almost want to say it was a glossy box, but I tried this the other day. The Cores, it's not showing you. I tried this the other day, and my skin feels fantastic. I'm pretty sure I got this in either a Look Fantastic box or a glossy box, but I can't remember, but it was really good. Okay, next up, we have from Caudalie, I think that's how you pronounce it. Let's give you a little zoomy so you can see the bottle. Hello, zoomy. There we go. Okay, so this little guy is the Vino Perfect Radiance Serum. We love Radiance, both effective and natural. This best-selling skin tone evening serum works to reduce the appearance of dark spots, including pregnancy marks, acne marks, and sun pigmentation. Its patented key ingredient is 62 times more effective than vitamin C at boosting radiance. Ooh, we love that. So this little mini size right here retails for $26 and the full size is $79. Oh my god. Oh, okay. So you can shop all of these things that I'm talking about, except for 2 items at lookfantastic.com, by the way. And I cannot wait to try this. Like, I want to smell it. Let's smell it and see what it smells like. It definitely has a floral scent and it's pretty liquidy. I mean, obviously, because it's a serum. And that's just it on the back of my hand. It definitely instantly has a cooling effect, which would be really nice to put on before bedtime, because I like to use my Tula one that goes under the eyes because it has that cooling effect and it just helps me like fall asleep. But it smells really good. It smells like a fresh bouquet of flowers. Okay, but not like in a potent headachy way. Just throwing that out there. Okay, next up we have from Cab Cosmetics. I don't think I've ever heard of them before, but this is a lip gloss, super exciting. And this is actually a full-size product, which retails for $18. Ooh, really pretty packaging, by the way. I like how you can see the color peek through here. Why am I not getting any zoomies? Okay, whatever. This is a pretty lip gloss. Very nude, very pretty. It almost feels like a velvet lipstick. It's not completely glossy. It's like a velvety type lipstick, but with like, you know, shine to it. Because it's very pigmented. That is beautiful. Definitely can be worn on its own for sure. And it has a nice little scent to it as well. Okay, so next up from First Aid Beauty, we have the Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration for dry, parched skin. I am definitely going to give this a go just because my skin has been really dry lately. Usually the First Aid Beauty line just doesn't work with like my skin's chemistry or something, but I'm going to give this one a go because I really want it to work, because people talk about how good it is all the time, but it just doesn't work for me. I don't know, but I haven't tried this product, so fingers crossed. So let's just see what it feels like on the back of the hand. Very, very hydrating feeling. So I think this is going to be a really nice product because it does feel very hydrating. It has a really nice fresh scent. Love that so much. Okay, so this little guy here is a Deluxe Mini, and this is a $5 mini, and then the full size is a $36 full size. Well, but this is the mini, so this is not $36. Next up we have this little guy, Clean It Zero, the Tri-Peel Acid Cleansing Balm Pore Clarifying. I actually have this already that I got in a past box. So here is what this looks like. Let me give it a whiffy whiff. Yeah, I do have this, right? I do. I thought I did. I do. I have it. I haven't used it yet, but I do plan on it. But because I'm still like waiting for me to use all of my Gino & Co. cleansing balm, I'm almost done, and then I was going to try that. So I'm excited about that. And then the last product in this box is from ESPA, E-S-P-A. Sounds like a sports channel, but probably fancy. This is the Geranium and Petitgrain Hand Balm. Interesting. A deeply nourishing balm, ideal for hardworking hands. Shea butter, jojoba, and sweet almond oil work to help hydrate, nourish, and revive tired or dry skin, while the Geranium and Petitgrain essential oils leave hands delicately fragranced and feeling beautifully soft. Okay, so let's see what this smells like. Oh, it didn't have a safety seal, so it's already pudging out like a very excited puppy. Smells good. I'm just gonna dab a little bit. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. God bless America. We did a bad, bad thing. Okay, let's... Okay. It smells really, really good. So this product is a mini, actually. Surprisingly, this is a mini. It's huge. So this retails for $10 and the full size retails for $28. And it says products may vary for this one, so you might get a different product than this in your box. Everything else I think you will get, but I'm not 100% positive. But yeah, that's everything that I got in this box. Pretty freaking happy with it. Like, we got some really good items here, and this is such a beautiful color. I don't have this exact color at all in my lipstick collection, so I'm really excited to have a go with that color because I've really been into those tones lately, like the nudes and stuff, and to have this and like, it's pretty opaque, so it's like a lipstick satin velvet but glossy. That's what it feels like to me, so I'm pretty excited about it. But let me know all of your thoughts and opinions down below. Did you like this box? Are you getting this box? Just let me know all the tea, okay? Okay. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!